This one is also good words to kind of remember. I hope they get stuck in your head if you want them there. And they are to help you come back to your center if you ever feel a little off. I can enter through the center of my heart, get out of harm's way, open my arms and say, yeah, remember I can enter through the center of my heart, get out of harm's way, open my arms and say, I remember I can enter through the center of my heart.
Are you reading? Here, I have tons of these ones right here. These little laptop.
We love us, we love us, we love us, we love us, we love. The words are we love us. We love us, we love us, we love us, we love us, we love. Yeah, you got it. I said we love us, we love us, we love us, we love us, we love. What was I trying to remember again? Oh, yeah, I remember.
It is so satisfying to get a lot of those. I call it the Zen read.
Get out of harm's way, open my arms and say, I am learning that forgiveness is the path that least resistance, and accepting all that isn't. I am learning that forgiveness is the path that least resistance, and accepting all that isn't. I am learning that forgiveness is the path that least resistance, and accepting all that isn't. We love us, we love us, we love us, we love us, we love. Oh, it feels good to say. You want to try it? I said we love us, we love us, we love us, we love us, we love. Oh, what do we remember again? I remember I can enter through the center of my heart, get out of harm's way, open my arms and say, I am. We love. Oh, you can say it to somebody. We love us, we love us, we love us, we love us, we love. All right, here's the little prayer. Where there is darkness, let there be light. Where there is blindness, let there be sight. Where there is wrongness, let's make it right. Let there be love in everyone's eyes. Where there is darkness, let there be light. Where there is blindness, let there be sight. Where there is wrongness, let's make it right. Let there be love in everyone's eyes. Where there is darkness, let there be light. Where there is blindness, let there be sight. Where there is wrongness, let's make it right. Let there be love in everyone's eyes. I remember I can enter through the center of my heart, get out of harm's way, open my arms and say, I am learning that forgiveness is the path that least resistance, and accepting all that is. And where there is darkness, let there be light. Where there is blindness, let there be sight. Where there is wrongness, let's make it right. Let there be love in everyone's eyes. I remember I can enter through the center of my heart. Get out of harm's way.
You're gonna lift up on your tippy toe.
Open my arms and say, I say, we love us, we love us, we love us, we love us, we love. We love us, we love us, we love us, we love us.
Oh, you're really good at this. On a little circle.
We love us, we love us, we love us, we love us, we love. One more time, in case they didn't hear you. We love us, we love us, we love us, we love us, we love. Thank you. Thank you for singing that with me. You learned that so fast. Okay, you guys. Okay, so these are some words that I wrote to help myself feel more confident and brave and bold and courageous in the world. And it's this feeling of having love all around you no matter where you go. And you don't actually have to get love from outside of yourself, because you can receive it and you can create it from within. And that's actually the most powerful love you can make in this world, is your own. And so I want you to take these words and make them your own, and you can sing them wherever you go in this world. If you're ever nervous or you just want to feel better, then remember these words and take them with you if you can. It goes like this. Love above me, love below me, love to my left, love to my right, love in front of me, love behind me, love outside of me and inside. Love above me, love below me, love to my left, love to my right, Love in front of me, love behind me, love outside of me and inside. Sing it with you. Love above me, love below me, love to my left, love to my right. Love in front of me, love behind me, love outside of me and inside. One more time. Love above me, love below me, love to my left, love to my right. Love in front of me, love behind me, love outside of me and inside. Love above me, love below me, love to my left, love to my right. Love in front of me, love behind me, love outside of me and inside. Love above me, love below me, love to my left, love to my right. Love in front of me, love behind me, love outside of me and inside. Hello, your name is love. Remember how that feels. You want more than just listening for your heartbeat to move you. And when it's hard and when it's weak, know that you are strong and free. Cause I am you and you are me, and we could give to us endlessly. Hello, our name is love. Well, may love it's in our heart. Hello, our name is love. May love it's in our heart. Hello, our name is love. Well, may love it's in our heart. Hello, our name is love. To the end of each time. Hello, my name is love, and you know how I feel for you.
Woo! Yeah!
Thank you guys so much.
Sometimes when we find out how each other feel, we realize how connected we really are. Maybe I felt the same way as you, or maybe I had a different experience. And the more we kind of share our feelings, the more connected we can be, and kind of just enjoy life a little more as closer friends.
I was not. So for context, I lost my grandmother a few weeks ago, and we had been disconnected for a long time. So I was supposed to call her. We were supposed to get reconnected, but before we could reconnect, she passed away from terminal breast cancer. So I never got to make that phone call. I never got to. With the phone booth, I could. That was my opportunity, and I didn't think it would resonate as much with me as it did, but when I got in here, I put in her zip code, and I typed out her name with the number. I called her, and